Good morning, y'all. It's Yolanda B, and welcome to my channel. If you are new here, I hope that you would consider subscribing. And if you've seen my face before, then hey, welcome back, and thank you so much for returning. In today's video, we are going to a client's house to do a little bit of light cleaning. So come along with me and watch me work. And don't forget to hit that like button, don't forget to hit your subscribe button, and definitely don't forget to hit your post notification bell so that you will know each and every time your girl posts another video.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement.
Everything I do so instinctive and so passionate. Every word I move so descriptive like an adjective. I got a vendetta against people who patented being negative when you should be getting after it. I got facts over tracks, this and that. Spitting slow, spitting fast. I could roast, I could gas. Think I'm okay at last, but I don't know if that can erase all the past. And the pettiness, a reflection of the emptiness. Hilarious, you think you're worth my time, you're delirious. Mysterious, because you hide behind a fake exterior. Inferior, you know I'll always be a bit superior. Get off of me, this ain't no humble brag. I want you to hear words, you can say them back. I want you to feel free from the chains that last, and to believe in what you got, it was built to last, yeah.
So I was trying to give her some quiet time so that she could get a little bit of rest. And while I'm speaking about my client, I just want to say thank you to Michelle and Stephen for allowing me to sit at home and giving me the opportunity to come in with a clean set of time for me. And I also want to just give them a big congratulations on the purchase of their new home.
For the fakeness, if you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. Gonna learn the consequence of being incompetent. Mental health is confidence, dreams and some honestness. I'm not here to save the day, that's for you to take away. I could play a million mind games, but instead I say something not illogical, something that is topical. Rub it on and watch it go, make yourself unstoppable. Dreams are irresponsible, but they're always possible. If you just believe, you could be so remarkable. Thoughts in my head, a collage and they spread.